go, on the right, right on the right. Thank you. Oh, for fuck's sake.
You again. Go away. How dare you? Go away. There's a water supply just over there by the red pillar thing. Come on in. There's no cooking facilities like there was the gîte, but once you've got a fridge, you could do a decent shop. What have we got in here? Got some beers chilling for later, got some eggs, got some butter, I've got this ham type stuff which is okay. You buy the same thing in England for snacky. It's not the best, but it's good for snacky type stuff. What was it? $1.45 in Spain. Some Emmental cheese was $2.60. You can pay a lot for cheese, especially in France, but this tastes nice. So I could make a jambon et fromage omelette, cheese and ham omelette, no problem. Milk. I've got some ravioli, tin stuff for when you've almost run out of food and there's nothing left. Just some pepper and some added salt makes them better. Pasta, get a sauce with that, that's really easy to cook something up. I've got some cup soups. I must get some rice, because once I get some rice, I can buy some meat or some crevettes, and this makes a nice sauce for the rice in a risotto. A reasonably well stocked bar here. Some Calvados for medicinal purposes. Shower stuff, wash up liquid, boots down there, stuff up here. One power supply, but if you're like me and you carry leads, I've got an extension lead there with a 4-point pin EU type thing, and plug lots of stuff to it. That's pretty much it, really. Oh, you got a heater, it's nice and warm. Fridge, 4 beds. You can open a little window here, which I had open at night. There's a fly screen on it so you don't get attacked by things, although I have been bitten. You're going to get bitten. Yeah, it's quite cosy, really. I'm not here for too long.
It's you, is it?
Excuse me for thinking this looks a bit like a Back to the Future time warp runway, but when you have a look, yeah, man.
Gutsy bed.
Right, fuck off. Go away. How dare you? Go away. Whoa, look at this.
Siurana.